So I just bought these tools along with a scissor jack, which I may or may not post a video about pretty soon. The kind of a complicated story on that, but I wanted to show you guys. And cool thing about these and this other thing that I just got, a performance tool folding creeper, a mesh creeper. And it's a mesh creeper, but it's super lightweight and has these little casters, but they swivel really nice. But the reason why it's important is because I got the last tool that I needed to buy. Like, from this point forward, it's just kind of optional. Whereas up until this point, like, this is all stuff that I needed. Stuff that is absolutely necessary. But now, I'm just kind of making my life better if I buy tools. It's not really like a daily need type thing.